Hello students, so now we are going to solve this electric dipole moment problem. Here we can see there are three charges present. One charge is at the origin of the coordinate system, which is minus 2q. Other two charges, each of which are plus q. One is kept at x-axis on a comma 0 and another charge plus q at y-axis on 0 comma a. The question is, what is the dipole moment of this system? So first of all, you should identify where is the dipole here, because you know dipole is formed by two equal and opposite charges kept at a small distance. So suppose you have a charge minus q, another charge plus q. So you know this is a dipole, right? So let's identify where is the dipole. So here minus 2q charge, that can be thought of comprising two charges minus q and minus q. So we can think of this minus 2q charge. This is made up of two charges minus q and minus q. So one minus q charge can be taken with this plus q charge, and this will be one dipole, and another minus q charge and this plus q charge, they can be taken together and they will form another dipole. And as you know, the dipole moment is a vector quantity and its direction is always from minus q to plus q charge. So in the diagram I have shown here, so the dipole moment is always directed from minus q to plus q charge, and dipole moment is usually represented by a symbol small p. So in the question we see that there are two dipole moments. Let us say the first dipole moment is p1, that will be from minus q to plus q charge, that means it will be directed in the positive x direction. Second dipole moment, that will again be from minus q to plus q, and it will be directed in the positive y direction. Suppose let us say it is p2. So let's find the magnitude of p1 and p2. So magnitude of dipole moment is defined by either charge multiplied by the separation between the charges. So dipole moment p1 will be the magnitude of either charge is q and multiplied by separation between the charges is small a, right? So it is q into a. Similarly, dipole moment p2 will also have the same magnitude, either charge is q multiplied by separation between the two charges minus q and plus q is again a. So both dipole moments are q into a and q into a in magnitude, but as we see, their directions are different. One dipole moment is directed along y-axis, so this is p2 is equal to q into a, and another dipole moment is directed along x-axis, which p1 is equal to q into a. So we have two vectors and we have to find the resultant. So the resultant will of course can be found using the vector addition law or this parallelogram law. So suppose you want to write the total dipole moment, that you can simply write as the x component multiplied by I cap plus y component multiplied by j cap. So total vector, because we see here the x component is q into a and y component is also q into a, so total dipole moment of the system can be written as q into a times I cap plus q into a times j cap, where I cap is the unit vector along x-axis and j cap is the unit vector along y-axis. So further you can take q into a common and you can write it as I cap plus j cap. So in vector notation, this will be your answer. And suppose you want to write the magnitude separately, so the magnitude of this vector, total vector p, can be written as, so from this diagram here you can see that both sides are equal, so this hypotenuse will be square root of this base square plus this perpendicular square. So magnitude will be square root of qa square plus qa square, and this will be qa square root 2, right? Square root of 2 times q into a. And what will be direction? So because both vectors have the same magnitude, p1 and p2, so the resultant will be equally inclined with both of them. So the angle theta here will be 45 degree, or in radians you can write it pi by 4. So that's the answer to this problem that I wanted to discuss with you. I hope you enjoyed this question. It was a very nice and small question. So see you again with next time with some other interesting problem. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you very much.